Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds LG TONE Free. You have to start by open LG TONE Free application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down, and right here at the bottom we have software update. Click on it and it check for updates. Now it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!